Charming studio apartment located in a quiet and peaceful neighborhood. This well-maintained unit features tile flooring throughout, fresh interior paint, and a full bathroom with a tub. The space is clean, bright, and move-in ready. A refrigerator is included, along with access to shared on-site laundry facilities. Water, electricity, and internet are all included in the rent for added convenience. Please note, this unit does not include a stove. Ideally located near Barry University, public transportation, major highways, shopping centers, and a variety of local dining options, offering easy access to everything you need. One of the best rental values in Miami. Available immediately.